Good morning. Today's video is a quick getting started video for people who are new to Elementor and WordPress perhaps. We're just going to talk about navigating the dashboard, and you can see that I spelled that wrong because I want to show you how to edit headers, texts, and images. Just a quick getting started overview. So when you log into your website, you'll probably be taken to this dashboard page. It might look different because one thing that you'll notice is you can take these, I'm going to make this guy smaller. You can drag these widgets around so that your dashboard looks just the way you would like it to look when you log in. So your view here will most certainly be different. But once you're on the back side of the website, what you need to know next is how to see the front side of the website, the user-facing view. So to do that, you'll click on this house up here, you'll mouse over it, and then click on Visit Site. That will take you to the user-facing side. Now, we're going to talk about how we will edit pages at this point. So we're going to just navigate to my example page, and you can see this is the page we started the video with. So if you want to make changes to this website, you'll come up here, and in this bar across the top, you'll click on Edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor will take you to the Elementor page builder. Don't click on Edit Page. That will take you to the WordPress default page builder. What we want is Edit with Elementor. So after this loads, you'll see that it looks a lot like the page we were just on, except that you have these blue containers, these blue boxes or sections, and you have a toolbox over here. The toolbox has all the different widgets that you can add to your website to do different functions. So you might want to add posts or slides or a fancy header, or here's some of the more common ones, text, heading, button, those sort of things. So the first thing to know is that if we want to do something like just edit text, we see the little, this is spelled wrong. What you do is you mouse over the section that you want to change, whether it be an image, text, or a heading, and you'll see a pencil show up. Whenever you see the pencil, you know that that's something you can edit. So when you click the pencil, then you can edit the information. You can edit it either in the toolbox or live on the screen. So we're going to just change this to navigating so that it's spelled correctly. So now we've changed this header, and we always want to make sure we're updating the site frequently. Next thing I'll show you how to do is change an image. So if we decide we don't want this cute puppy picture, but we want a different one, we can go click on the edit pencil again, and then go over here, and it says images, choose image, and it will take us to the media library. In the media library, you can either pick one of the pictures in the library, or if you go to upload files and select the file, you can select files on your actual laptop. So we're going to click this different picture of a puppy. And it's kind of big. I haven't optimized it, so it took a second. Then we're going to insert that. So now we have a different puppy picture. And the same thing goes with text. If we want to change this text, we'll just click on the pencil. We can edit it or here in the box, or we can edit it over in the toolbar. The next thing I'd like to show you is what would we do if we wanted to add an image, if we wanted to start from scratch and add these different things. So the first thing we're going to do is do another section similar to this just down here. So if we want to add a header, the first thing we need is a container to put it in. So we're going to just select this container. These arrows describe which way widgets added to the container will flow, and we'll do another video about that. But for now, we're just going to add another header. So again, we see the toolbar, we're going to drag that over, and we want to make this H1 probably. And what are we going to say? Have a great day. So we also know that we probably don't want this text to be blue and small. So we're going to go over here to the style, and you can see we can change a lot of information about this. So we're going to change the color to purple, and the typography, we're going to change the font a little bit, and then go over here where you can see all these options. These are different text types, sizes. So we'll drag this bar over. Do you see how that changes the size and makes it bigger? We can make it a little less bold if we want. These let us make it uppercase, lowercase, capitalized, italic. This adds underlines to it, or different sort of an overline, different text effects, I guess. They call it decoration. And then we have options for line height, which gives us a little space around the text. Letter spacing, which spreads and stretches the letters out, or word spacing, which makes more space in between the words. Now, these typography settings are pretty much the same any place you add text. Then the next thing we want to do is we want to go add another picture and more text. So we'll just click on this guy, and this time we want a 2-column layout. We will add an image again, and I'm just going to, let's see, I think I'll put this cute puppy back here. So now we have another cute puppy, and we want to add our text. So we're going to go add a text editor. So we throw our text in here, and we can just type away. I'm going to steal some of this text up here. So copy, Control C is copy. And then we're going to type away down here to create, so we have another text box. That is all there is to adding text, header, and images. If you wanted to do a different layout, you could, for instance, add this layout where we'll have, and let's say we want maybe 3 pictures, so we can add this. And so now we have 3 sections, and we'll add, let's see, I think we want an image here. So we're going to go back here. I'm going to grab this picture. Well, let's do this one. Grab a picture, and then we're going to come over here, and we want more text. So we'll add more text. Again, typing really fast. And then we have another little space down here to fill in. So we will grab an image, drop it into that space. Now you notice that's a really wide space, so I have just the picture for that. It needs a longer, shorter picture there is what I'm envisioning. So we'll add that picture. And it's a big file, so that's why it's taking a little bit longer to load. I'm trying to be real with these videos. So then we have this picture. So now in less than 5 minutes, we have created this pretty big page. I just wanted to demonstrate how easy these basics are. And then, as usual, what we want to do is always update. So we want to save what we've done. And then you need to be able to look at this and see what it looks like on your website. One way to do that is to preview the changes. This will let you look at changes without saving them, but we've already saved them. So we're going to go up here to the hamburger menu and scroll down here where it says View Page. And this is what the page looks like now if you visit it as a customer. Thank you so much. If you are enjoying these little videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with friends. If you have questions, I'd love to hear them. I'm happy to make a video explaining whatever it is that you're struggling with. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.